So what's up, guys? My name is Daniel. Recently I bought this 02 RM125. It's in a lot of pieces. Just got done tearing it down. It was a full bike when I got it. You guys said it needed a top end. The rest of the bike's just sitting over here in a bunch of different pieces. So I got this bike, tore it down to do a top end, and he said cylinder was good. Now, I don't know if this camera will pick it up. Yeah, there you go. There's a big score right down the side in there. It hasn't been honed in a long time, bored in a long time. There's a lot of hours. Who knows what happened to this thing. So the guy lied to me, but he did give me an extra motor. It's sitting over with those other parts as well, but I think this jug is gonna be all right with some honing. There's no really big score marks in it, so that looks good. I've already done a little bit of tear down, not a whole lot, but here's the beast right here. After taking the top end off, I realized that this crank, it was spinning freely, but now it's not. I'm not gonna pull too hard because I don't know what's down in there, but I just decided I might as well go ahead and do a full bottom end, top end rebuild, do the bike right, so the next guy, if there's a next guy, he doesn't have to deal with this, so, or shouldn't for a while. So this is gonna be part one of the motor. Like I said, I already got the bike down to what it is right now. It's got a few issues. Motor mount is completely sheared off. There's wrong bolts. There's strip bolts on the subframe. A lot of stuff that was just not done right. A lot of spray painted stuff. But then at the same time, new foot pegs, new carb, throttle control. There's a few bells and whistles, but it's gonna need a lot. So if you guys want to stick around, I figured, really figured I'd video this in case I don't remember how some of this bottom end of this motor goes back together. So it's gonna be for my help. But I looked on YouTube and there's not a whole lot of RM125 motor rebuilds. So if this helps somebody else out, then good deal. Let's get started.